In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages to a folder in Confluence. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to quickly reorganize your content so that related pages stay together and are easier to find. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence workspace and that you're in the correct space where your page currently lives. Look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where the page tree is displayed. It lists all your pages, often grouped under parent pages, which you can think of as folders for your content. Start by locating the page you want to move. You can scroll through the page tree, or if you have a long list, you might find it easier to use the search bar at the top of Confluence to jump to the page, then look for it in the sidebar. Once you've found it in the list, hover your mouse over the page name. You should see your cursor turn into the standard pointer, and the page row will usually be highlighted to show it's selected. Now, click and hold the left mouse button on that page name. This is the beginning of the drag and drop action. While still holding the mouse button down, slowly drag the page up or down in the sidebar. As you move it, you'll see a visual indicator, usually a line, showing where the page will be placed if you release it. Navigate to the folder or parent page where you want this page to live. In Confluence, folders are typically represented as parent pages in the page tree. Drag your page over the target folder or parent page until you see a clear indication that it will be nested under that item. When you have it positioned correctly, release the mouse button. Confluence will automatically move the page to that new location. After the move, the page should now appear indented under the folder or parent page you chose, showing that it's part of that section. If you don't see it right away, try expanding or collapsing the parent page by clicking the small arrow or caret next to it. If you make a mistake and drop it in the wrong spot, don't worry. You can simply repeat the same drag and drop process and move it again until it's in the right folder. This drag and drop method is especially helpful when you're cleaning up a space, grouping related documentation together, or setting up a clear structure for your team. And that's all there is